Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter display. And as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change dark mode, turn it on automatically, or schedule it. Also, you can enable or disable turns on from sunset to sunrise. And that's it. Now we can go to read mode. Also, you can enable it for entire device or for custom apps. Then we can enable or disable night light and also change its intensity. Next, we can change color mode and color temperature between soft, standard, colorful, and warm, normal, or custom. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Then we can change screen refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz and 120 Hz. You can hide notch and change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable auto rotate screen, motion, and tiny screen display adjustment. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.